Hi guys, it's Blackie and welcome back to the channel. Okay, continuing in the ground pounder series. I've had something pop up that I wanted to share with you. Now, many of you have asked me about getting a M-65 field jacket. The original actual military issue M-65s are very, very hard to come by. And even when you do, mostly they're in mediums and etc. They don't fit awesomeness very well anymore. And so finding one of the larger sizes is just about impossible, guys. But the good news is you can get the aftermarket ones that are really good. Good friends of mine have got them. I've looked at them. They look good. Don't see any major flaws in them. Okay, they're not junk. Now, down there in the description box, we'll have the link to Kaufman's Military Surplus. They can get the OD green, black, and I think there may be another color, but OD green and black definitely, of the M-65 field jackets. Up to 4X is $89. 5 and 6X are $100, but that is a source that you can, if you can't find them anywhere else, reach out to the ladies down there and they can get you a field jacket. Now, the focus on this video is going to be about the liner. Now, the field jacket liner, and this is the military issue field jacket liner from back in the day that I have talked about in several of my videos, is a really good piece of gear for use in the field. One of my favorite, I will find that arm opening in a minute. There we go. One of my favorite things to do with one of these is the ones that have the buttons on it, is wear these in the winter whenever you're in a sleeping bag as extra insulation, because it's slick and you can move around easy in the sleeping bag. It will slide easy. Okay. These can make good liners inside of a shirt or something too, to act like long underwear. Because of that slick, you get free movement. Okay. But is it the best choice today? Well, to be honest, not really. This used a quilting and a batting material. For its day, it was really good. But to be honest, we got better materials today. Many times in my videos, you saw me wearing a hoodie. That's a good idea. You can get a hoodie to go inside your field jacket, and that will provide you with the hood for the hood inside the collar to go over the top of that, and you've got more insulation around your head and neck. So a hoodie that you can buy off the shelf, it already fits you. You can get a field jacket to go over the top of it, good to go. But today, the best, and the reason I want to do this video, that I have found is this. Now, this is a military issue piece of equipment, and the official name for it is a fleece jacket. It has a furry, like fleece material, and it also has reinforced elbows, reinforced shoulders, so that your pack and stuff isn't going to wear it out easily. It has a nice big pocket for your hands, plenty big enough for gloves and everything. It has the Velcro tab for putting insignia and rank on, a nice big generous wide collar. On the inside, it has a big mesh pocket on both sides. And then from under the arms down, you have this quilted kind of material. This stretches and allows this to stretch and move with you, so it doesn't feel tight when you're wearing it. Now, right now at the surplus place that I just mentioned down there, they have a supply of these extra large, extra long, and they're $45. Now this is the best, in my opinion, liner to go with the M-65 field jacket. The collar is big enough to stand up. You got a good zipper on the front of it that runs well, and you can zip it all the way up to the neck like that, see? So you completely ain't got to wear the old scarf. Seals up around the neck. And then you put the field jacket on. I like the ability to have layers, as you know. And having this with the field jacket makes for a very good layering system. Because down here in my south, see, it fits just fine. The sleeves come to the same length. You got full mobility with it. Down here in my south, it may be 28 degrees in the morning, and then it may warm up to 65 at the height of the day. So you got to be able to peel off layers. Being able to take this liner off and wear just the field jacket, if that's the practical, or to take the field jacket off and wear just this, if that's the practical, gives me maximum flexibility in the field. This will crush down pretty easily and go into a pack a lot easier than the field jacket will. But that way I can layer as I go, see? So, to recap, for those of you that's been looking for a field jacket, contact the ladies down there in Kaufman's and tell them you would like to talk about getting a M-65 field jacket, and they'll tell you what colors are available and what the price is right now. And for those of you that have been looking for a liner, I really like this extra large, extra long, because it fits me. Now, why extra long? Because it comes down the full length of the field jacket, all the way to the bottom. Right there is the bottom of the fleece jacket. And so that means that when I sit down, I move, it isn't going to ride up easy, you know, and let draft come up my back. That's the problem I've always had with this one. When you lean forward, you feel a draft. This one doesn't, it hugs you. Remember those expansion sections? It hugs you, so it feels a lot warmer. And these are $45 a piece right now. Now, of course, it's too close to Christmas, but if you contact them, I'm sure they'll be happy to ship you one. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. If you have, please hit that like, share, and subscribe, and there'll be more videos coming up in the Ground Pounder series in the near future. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.